Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? It's Senora Shapiro with our next video in the series. We are still in Unidad 1, Lección 2, Mis amigos y yo. Just as a reminder, you will be having a quiz, una prueba sobre el vocabulario on the vocabulary in this unit on December 3rd. This video is about definite and indefinite articles. Let's take a closer look. What are definite and indefinite articles in English? Definite articles are used with nouns to indicate specific persons, places, or things. In English, there is only one definite article, the. Indefinite articles in English are used with nouns to indicate non-specific persons, places, or things. In English, indefinite articles are a or an and some. In Spanish, articles match in gender and number. All Spanish nouns, even if they refer to objects, are either masculine or feminine. Nouns ending in o are usually masculine. Nouns ending in a are usually feminine. And of course, there are exceptions. Let's take a look at definite articles in Spanish. Masculine singular. El chico. El is the definite article. Chico is the singular masculine noun. Plural. Los chicos. Los is the definite article. Chicos is the noun. Feminine. La chica. La is the definite feminine article. Chica is a singular feminine noun. Plural. Las chicas. Las is the plural definite article. It's feminine. Chicas, plural feminine noun. What about the indefinite articles? Un chico, masculine. Un is the indefinite article. Chico is the noun. Unos chicos. Unos is plural. For chicos, the plural masculine noun. Una chica. Una is the indefinite article, feminine, for chica, and unas chicas. Unas is plural, feminine. Por ejemplo, for example, los libros son para la maestra. The books are for the teacher. Both los and la in that sentence are definite articles. La maestra necesita unos libros. La is a definite article. Unos, indefinite article. La is feminine because we're talking about the maestra, and unos is masculine because we're talking about libros, and it's plural. The teacher needs some books. How do we form plural nouns? To form plural nouns, add s if the noun ends in a vowel. Estudiante becomes estudiantes. Add es if the noun ends in a consonant, such as mujer becomes mujeres. Okay, chicos, es todo para hoy. That's it for this video for today. Nos vemos pronto. Ciao.